Going on, everyone? It's Marsellis back with another video. Today we gotta talk about Bitcoin. We're gonna talk about when Bitcoin could possibly be bullish. There's actually some analysts that predict it could be in 1 week. So we gotta talk about this, but definitely hit the like button and subscribe. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also definitely check out cryptomillionaires.shop for the best crypto millionaires merch. We got the best merch in the game. Come over here and check out cryptomillionaires.shop. We got everything for men, for women, all that good stuff. And it's very, very, very good quality. Here is the shirt right here for the Crypto Millionaire established in 2023 shirt. Very nice shirt. Very nice. But anyways, let's start on Bitcoin here. So let's talk about this. First of all, Bitcoin right now is at $27,983. So that's pretty good right now. And yeah, it's doing fairly well. But there's some news that's now coming up where Bitcoin analysts are predicting that 1 week away, we could be confirming our new bull market. So that's pretty interesting to see. So let's go over this first. So it says Bitcoin price action is copying historical patterns to deliver a classic Bitcoin bull market comeback. And that's what Rect Capital says. And this article was written by Cointelegraph. And something big that I've seen here is typically a year before the Bitcoin halving, we always start the pump. And this is now a year before the Bitcoin halving. Now we're starting to pump. So yeah, definitely shows that we are following some type of patterns here. Now, over here we can see Bitcoin price action closely mimics past cycles. So they said, despite facing problems flipping $28,000 to support, Bitcoin price action is firmly on the way to abandoning its bear market. So I say $30,000 is where that bull market point is. But let's keep going over this. So it says that is according to Rex Capital, who on March 26 presented an optimistic picture of how Bitcoin would likely finish the month. They said the pair's recent gain has put it above a macro downtrend to place since its 2021 all-time highs. But the March close would be the first potential candle to complete above that trend line on monthly timeframes. So that's interesting. They say down here, accompanying charts compared to 2023 price behavior to that of previous cycles implied that Bitcoin is now breaking out toward new all-time highs after setting a bear market low. So that's what they're saying here. Now, they're saying also the cycle low would have occurred in November 2022, just after the FTX, downfall. And that was like what, 15.6K Bitcoin is pretty much what they're saying. So yeah, this is a pretty interesting chart here. So I'm going to break down this chart for you all. So first of all, they said from here, from 2014 all the way over here to 2016, that was the bull market that was the beginning of the bull market starting here. And then it goes out all the way there and then pulls back. And like we're all the way over here 2022. So we're pretty much at this point right here where we're about to start going into a bullish direction. And, that's pretty much what they're showing us here. So we could have a huge, huge uptrend coming very soon for us. So that's definitely pretty good. If you compare what both of these look like they look exactly the same right now. We're literally like at that exact same point. So we might actually have a bullish run coming very soon. And that's why I always say $30,000 is that point. I would like to call it like the inflection point where once we hit $30,000, we're bullish. And that's really the bullish confirmation point is $30,000 Bitcoin. That's what we're trying to get to right now. So let's keep going over this though. So said down here, a further post reiterated that the current monthly candle fits Bitcoin's historical patterns when it comes to breakouts from the macro downtrends. So this is the original Twitter post that they had made here. And they said no flipping $28,000 as weekly close approaches. So it says Bitcoin spot price action, meanwhile, continues to keep market participants guessing as the weekend comes in. Like people don't know whether to short Bitcoin futures or long the Bitcoin futures. Like people don't know whether to short or long Bitcoin right now because they're like, oh, it might pull back, right? Or it might just go crazy and go past 30K. So this is a crazy point that we're at right now in the crypto market. But down here it says mostly flat trading behavior has been seen little by way of change with a push over $28,000, the first notable event in several days. They said at the time of writing, however, Bitcoin to USDT was back below that level. So that's what they're saying now here. Also down here, we have another chart that they're showing here, and they said analyzing potential scenarios. Trader Crypto Chase highlighted $28,600 as the breaker, and they said that's pretty much what I would say is the inflection point. But they're like, nah, 28.6K is going to be that point where we just go up above it and then we're bullish. And then they said down here, while to the upside 33K was tipped as the point at which a major reversal could take place. So yeah, they said 33K could be a major reversal. That means like at the 33K bullish. So this is pretty interesting. I still say 30K is that bullish point, but I mean if there's analysts looking at this like Bitcoin's about to become bullish now, I think this is a very very important time inside of crypto history right now. So we're waiting for this right now. We'll see what we got. And you can see over here our resistance all the way up at 28.8K. So obviously we got to get past there. They mentioned 28.6K, but 28.8K is definitely what we would have to pass. Honestly, we got to get all the way up to 30K. Like we can't just stay around 28K. We got to get past 30K. And once we get past that resistance, that's going to be when we're actually, starting that bull market trend. So that's just what I think personally. And, like I said in my previous videos, if you come back here, you can look at what Bitcoin was doing around 30K, like 28.8K and 30K has been a very important point in Bitcoin for a very, very long time. So yeah, we've been doing this for a while and this has been important in Bitcoin for over a year now. So yeah, this is an important area for us. So I'll let you all know exactly what happens and I'll keep following this Bitcoin technical analysis. Over here on the oscillator, you can see that there's bullish signals being thrown up here, and this is for the 4-hour chart. You can see here the selling has been slowing and waning down. You can see here on the oscillator the selling is now slowing down, which is a bullish signal. The selling is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. The red waves here on the oscillator are selling waves, and then you see these bull indicators here, pretty much because the selling is slowing down, which is a bullish indicator. So this is pretty interesting because now we're literally at that point where it's about to go and have a reversal. So look down here on the oscillator. Look at how this is about to reverse into a green buying wave. So this is interesting because if it's going to go that way, then that's going to be what we need to get up to 30K. So I'll keep updating this for you all. But yeah, for right now, this is all I got for you all today. But yeah, definitely go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe, all that good stuff. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And also definitely check out cryptomillionaires.shop. We got the best crypto millionaires merch in the game. We got the Crypto Millionaire Established 2023 shirt. So we have everything here. So yeah, definitely come here and check it out. Very high quality stuff here. Very nice shirt. Definitely check that out. And as always, I'll be back with another video.